Hi, welcome to Tablas Creek. My name is Chelsea Franchi. I'm the Senior Assistant Winemaker.
Well, my name's Nathan. I'm the Shepherd.
And this is Tasting with Chelsea and the Shepherd.
Vermentino, take 2.
Dianthus.
This is Chelsea's baby. I feel like Chelsea is the rosé queen.
Pink wines.
Pink wines, yeah.
Pink wines.
Me also. I'm a huge fan of pink wines.
I know.
This is just like a red but lesser, right?
So this is one of 2 rosés that we do at Tablas Creek. So this is our Dianthus. It's 100% estate fruit, and it's typically a Saignée, which the Saignée word means to bleed in French. So the way we make this, the Saignée method means that we process red grapes as we would if we were going to be making a red wine. They go through the sorting table, they go through the stemmer, they go into tank, and then anywhere from 1 to 3 days later, we're checking that color, checking the juice, checking the flavors and the aromatics. And then in that time frame, once we decide that we've hit that color that we want, that taste that we want, we bleed that juice off. So that's where the Saignée comes into play.
Okay.
So
less contact with the skins.
Exactly. So that's where the reds get a lot of their color, or all of their color is from that skin contact. So if you only leave it on for, 24 to 72 hours, you end up with this color rather than a deeper, darker red. Yeah. With that, we get a little bit less phenolic characteristic too, so you don't have typically that tannic grip. With that, I will say that the 2019 has a lot more structure and a lot more tannin than we've had in the past, and I absolutely love that about this wine. I think, typically with rosés, it's not quite a red, it's not quite a white, it's kind of somewhere in between, so it kind of can play both worlds. Yeah. This one I think leans a little bit more on that structural side, so it has a lot more opened up to that pairing capability, because it still has that vibrant acidity, but it also has that nice tannic head to it. Dark skinned fish is beautiful, so salmons,
catfish,
ahi tunas, things like that. Anything you would typically pair with a beer goes great with this rosé. So
catfish,
spicy foods, fried foods, barbecued foods, things with a lot of flavor. This can stand up to it. A wine that's beautiful to have by itself, but it's a rosé that screams for food.
Yeah. If it doesn't cool off, it's going to be really good to spring. You're going to enjoy. Yeah, and they've legalized picking up roadkill now in California.
That's great news.